You're listening to the New York Sports Show, the #1 all New York sports podcast. Hosted by Dominic Konareski.
There is officially nobody good on the Cleveland Browns now. Amari Cooper, you are a Buffalo Bill, and I would have loved to have been a fly on the wall when Amari Cooper found out that he's going from Deshaun Watson as his quarterback to now Josh Allen. And when you look at the overall team's record, he is going from a bottom feeder team to now a team top of the division, fresh off of a win. They have insurance wins. The Bills in a playoff spot leading the AFC East. Cooper and Josh Allen, they are going to absolutely ball out. And earlier today, the Bills' divisional rival, the New York Jets, a team that the Bills just beat up not even 24 hours ago, made a trade for Davante Adams. So now you have Davante Adams and Amari Cooper in the same division on rivalry teams. So let me remind you, the Bills and Jets are yet to face each other again this season, in the regular season. This is going to be an absolutely amazing matchup. Comment down below what you guys think. I'm Dominic Konareski. Take it easy, folks.